If the human body can heal wounds, repair tissues, and replace damaged cells, then why do humans still age? At first glance, this seems contradictory. Cuts heal, bones mend, infections are defeated, and organs keep working for decades. Yet over time we see wrinkles, frailty, slower recovery, and reduced energy. Science shows that although the body repairs itself constantly, that repair is never perfect and tiny damage accumulates over the years. Genetic material, proteins, and cell structures are under continuous stress, and even robust repair systems cannot fix every error. Aging is not a single breakdown, but the sum of many small imperfections that build up over time, eventually affecting how well tissues and organs function. Researchers now describe aging as emerging from a combination of cellular damage, stress responses, and biological limits in repair, meaning that living longer naturally comes with the cost of gradual decline rather than flawless restoration. One of the most well-studied molecular explanations for aging involves telomeres, which are the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes that safeguard DNA during cell division. Every time a cell divides, telomeres get slightly shorter. Eventually, they become too short to protect the DNA, causing cells to stop dividing or malfunction. This process has been observed in numerous studies and is considered a core mechanism of cellular aging. Telomere shortening limits how many times cells can renew themselves, which gradually slows down the replacement of damaged tissues. This concept is so robust that the famous Hayflick limit, the number of times a normal human cell can divide before stopping, is directly tied to telomere length. But there's more. Oxidative stress also accelerates aging. When cells produce energy in mitochondria, they generate reactive oxygen species, ROS, unstable molecules that can damage DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Multiple scientific studies show that oxidative damage contributes to telomere shortening and cellular dysfunction, especially under sustained stress or inflammation. For example, oxidative attacks on telomeric DNA speed up telomere loss and trigger what scientists call cellular senescence, where cells halt division and secrete inflammatory factors that further damage neighboring tissues. This interplay between energy production and damage is one major reason why aging affects different organs at different. Research also reveals that aging is not just about DNA mistakes. It's about how the body's repair capacity changes. In young organisms, DNA repair systems are highly efficient, quickly correcting damage from replication errors and oxidative stress. But as organisms age, this repair capacity declines. A recent study in aging model organisms like C. elegans showed that the efficiency of DNA repair pathways decreases significantly with age, meaning more damage persists and less is fixed, contributing to functional decline. Moreover, in humans, conditions like Werner's syndrome, a genetic disease that causes rapid aging, highlight the importance of repair enzymes. In people with this syndrome, DNA breaks accumulate because key repair proteins are missing, resulting in premature aging symptoms and early mortality. Scientists describe aging in a broader framework of hallmarks of aging, a concept identifying multiple biological processes that contribute to age-related decline. Beyond telomere shortening and DNA damage, these hallmarks include mitochondrial dysfunction, chronic inflammation, loss of protein stability, proteostasis, stem cell exhaustion, and changes in cellular communication. Each of these has experimental support. For instance, mitochondrial efficiency decreases with age, which drives more ROS production and metabolic dysregulation. Chronic inflammation becomes more common in older adults, which impairs tissue repair, and stem cell pools shrink, reducing the body's ability to replace worn-out cells. Together, these interlinked mechanisms paint aging as a complex, multi-layered process rather than a single failure point. Interestingly, scientific studies also show that external factors and lifestyle can influence aging at the cellular level. A large clinical trial known as the VITAL study found that adults who took daily vitamin D3 supplements had significantly slower telomere shortening over 4 years compared to those on a placebo, indicating that specific nutrients can protect cellular structures linked to aging. Meanwhile, research into physical activity reveals that exercise not only improves strength and endurance, but can also reduce oxidative stress and support telomere maintenance, helping repair pathways work better. These findings suggest that while aging is biologically inevitable, its rate and severity can be modified by lifestyle and environment. So why do humans age even though the body repairs itself? Because aging is a balance between damage and repair, and despite remarkable healing abilities, both internal and external stresses slowly outpace perfect recovery. Damage to DNA, telomeres, and proteins, combined with declining repair systems, chronic inflammation, and metabolic changes, gradually erode cellular integrity. Aging isn't just about cells wearing out. It's about the cumulative weight of imperfect repairs, biological limits, and trade-offs the body makes to survive longer without cancer or catastrophic failures. Understanding the science behind aging not only explains why we age, but also how research and lifestyle can help us age healthier, slower, and with better quality of life.